Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install a free VPN on any Linux distro. We will go over on installing Open Vpn, choosing a server, and much more. Are you ready to become anonymous? Let's get started. What a typical user does when they want a VPN is install it through a web extension such as Google Chrome. But the problem with that is that it's only going to hide their location if they're only using the browser. But it doesn't hide it when they're using other applications, and the entire operating system is still not anonymous. So for us, we're going to actually install a VPN that's going to be natively running on our OS. And for our VPN, we're going to be choosing one called Proton VPN. So just let's see, find it right now. And with Proton VPN, they actually offer a free tier, which basically gives you all the benefits, and plus there's no bandwidth limit, so you can use it to download as much as you want without ever worrying about hitting a certain limit. So that's what's great about it. So in order to get started using this VPN, just create an account, and now once that's done, you'll get an email with your login credentials and stuff like that. So once that's done, just go ahead and log in. Click login, and you'll be presented with this a GUI interface. So basically it's pretty simple. You'll get everything that you need, but we just only want to focus on the account and the downloads tab. So first we're gonna head on over to the downloads tab, and for us we're gonna be choosing Linux, and this is basically like a guide to just follow and install the VPN, but we're only going to be using just part of the guide. So now to get started using the VPN, we're just going to install two packages. So open up the terminal and type in sudo apt install Open Vpn and resolve conf. And once that's finished, we're gonna head on over to the other back to the dashboard. And let's see, so for these two options, we're just gonna click on Linux and UDP. With these two, it depends, but most of the time users just typically use UDP because it's much faster than TCP. And third, we're gonna select the download. And since you're using the free tier, we can actually only use the server configs. These two are only available if you're actually using the subscription and paying for it. So if you're around the United States, we can just choose one of these two, and usually I just click the first one. So just click a download, and that should be in the downloads folder. So right here, this is the Vpn configuration file, and in order to use this, we're just going to be launching one command through the terminal for the VPN to start being online. So so just change the directory inside the downloads folder, and now you're going to type in sudo Open Vpn and just type in the whole file. Just press tab and you can just skip it, and then press enter. And now here it's going to ask you for a username and password, and for those two, it's actually been you're actually going to go back to the dashboard, and you're going to click on the account tab, and it's right here. So just copy and paste these. You can just click on the clipboard, and for the password, same thing. And so after around 10 seconds, it should tell you that the VPN is online. Alright, so once it says initialization sequence completed, the VPN is online. So let's test out the VPN, see if it's actually making us anonymous. So let's head over to ipleak.org. As you can see, it says that the city I'm from is Manassas, which is definitely not where I am. And for the VPN to stay online, you actually have to keep this open. this terminal open here. And if you want to stop the VPN, all you have to do is hit Control C, and now the VPN is turned off. And that's about it. So thank you for watching the video. I'll try to make more videos soon, and yeah, hit subscribe and click the like button if you like this video. And thanks. I'll talk to you soon.